Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video where we're installing some Mugen style taillights for the Honda Civic Hatchback. Sadly, we'll have to remove our spoilers so we can access the top portion of the taillights, but we can always put it back on afterward. Thanks to American Modified for sponsoring the channel with these lights. So here's the box the taillights will come in. Let's check it out and see what's inside. Here we have the smoked Mugen style taillights in here, and then they're packaged really nicely. First step to install these is to open up your trunk and remove these two small clips with a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool. Once you get the two small clips out, you can remove these parts under the handles. There are just two small clips holding them in, so just get underneath with your flathead and pop them out. Once you pop these trim pieces off, you'll need to remove the screw on each side. Next, we'll start by removing the whole trunk trim piece. Starting in the back here, it's just held on by a few green clips, and it's pretty easy to pop out. Once you pop out the whole piece, I just let it hang since the other two pieces left in can hold it up and leave plenty of clearance for the install. This white clip here is where you're going to be plugging in your new top taillight portion later in the install. Now let's start with removing the taillight. All you'll need to do is remove the two screws holding it in and a couple of clips which pop out really easily when you push forward and up. Here's what it looks like once you remove your taillight. And don't worry about the red wire connectors on my wires, as those were for installing my LED reflectors on the car, and yours probably don't look like this. And then here are the new taillight light chips, which connect to your old light electrical connectors from the original taillight. So remove the gray electrical connectors from your original taillights and connect them onto your new ones. Since the new lights use little light chips instead of bulbs, make sure you test the lights after you've plugged everything in to make sure you put them in the correct orientation. To be clear about the wiring, the colors may not be the exact same, but each connector is slightly different, so it's not hard to figure it out and see which light connects where. For the wiring, the white and black colored wires from the new headlight connect to the light green and black wire socket, and those wires connect for the reverse light. The yellow and black wires connect to the turn signal plug section. The green and black wires connect to the brake plug section. Once you've connected the cables to the right sockets, you can go ahead and start on the installation for the wiring on the top taillight portion. This looks a bit complicated, but I'll show you where to route everything. I routed everything up through the side on both sides. And to start, you'll need to take off the top taillight portion and remove two 10mm bolts here. And then you'll need to remove a clip right here, which will get that top taillight portion off. After you remove that part of the taillight, route your cable from your taillight up to the top portion and plug it in. Overall, it's a pretty simple taillight installation, and these look amazing. They're also DOT and SAE is certified, so they are legal on the road versus just tinting over your stock taillights, which is not allowed in most states in the US. These taillights also have some awesome turn signals, which are sequential. And the reverse light is LED, of course, and very bright, so it's a huge plus for that as well. Overall, these taillights look amazing on the Civic Hatchback. Thank you to American Modified for providing these for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the install. Drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new here, and click the link down below to check these out for yourself. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.